So thank you very much, Patrick and Astrid. And so we can now move straight on to the first plenary session, which is three keynote lectures. And as we normally do with these, we won't be inviting questions from the audience, but I'm sure the speakers would be very happy to talk to you in the breaks. So I'll now hand over to Charles Sabine, who will introduce our first keynote speaker.
Thank you, Anne, and it's great to be here in Bologna. Wonderful to see all of you faces, lots and lots and lots and lots of them nod. It's great. I must say, personally, what a joy and a relief it is to be back here in person. These meetings are the throbbing hearts which pump blood to the arteries of our community across the globe. And that applies to the scientific labs, but also the HD families that support and engage with those scientists, which in vain makes me honored to, in that vein, honored to introduce our opening keynote speaker, the renowned British journalist and commentator Charlotte Raven, along with her daughter Anna and Professor Ed Wild. A prominent writer and journalist since the 1990s, Charlotte Raven edited the culture magazine Modern Review and was a regular contributor to the British national newspapers The Guardian and The Observer. There she cemented a reputation for incisive commentary on music, fashion, sex, and culture, a reputation that soon tipped over into notoriety with her famously scathing takedowns of cultural icons, which saw her branded as a provocateur and an enfant terrible. No one was beyond her reach, trust me. As a leading voice of what Charlotte called Feminism 2.0, Charlotte rebranded and relaunched the Spare Rib magazine as the Feminist Times. Charlotte's memoir, Patient One, was published last year and describes her life in journalism and in the public eye, and the impact that Huntington's disease has had on her family, her life, and, most importantly, her self-identity. It was shortlisted for the Royal Society of Literature's 2022 Christopher Bland Prize and is available from good bookshops and as an audio book. Now, the afterwards section of that book was written by the second person I will introduce now, Professor Ed Wild, who is also Charlotte's doctor. Now, no stranger to us or the written word, Ed, Professor of Neurology at the University College London, co-founded the award-winning research news source, HD Buzz, and has authored 7 book chapters, as well as 150 peer-reviewed publications with over 12,000 citations. Anna Sheehan has not been published yet, mostly because she's only 17 and has not yet left school. But that does not in any way reduce Anna's stature amongst these 3 tremendous people you're about to see. She is equally brilliant and, more importantly, a towering support for her family. Now, as those of us here from HD families will be well aware, in delivering a 1-hour speech or half an hour speech today, Charlotte would effectively be running an Olympic marathon live on stage. So, to allow her time to rest her mind, voice and body, her speech is composed of 3 acts separated by short intermissions, during which Anna and Ed will take the microphone. And also to improve the comprehension for this truly international audience, we are providing a text-enhanced experience of Charlotte's speech. If you visit this address or use the QR code on your device, you can follow the text of the speech as she talks. So, with that, accompanied by Anna and Ed, it is my great honor to introduce and ask you to please welcome your 2022 keynote speaker, Charlotte Raven.